Vera Outline White Icon Pack is a specialized Android application designed to enhance the visual appeal of users' home screens and app drawers through a collection of beautifully crafted icons. The pack features a minimalist design aesthetic, characterized by sleek, outline-style icons set against a clean white background, creating a modern and sophisticated look. This icon pack typically includes thousands of icons that cover a wide range of popular applications, allowing users to personalize their devices extensively. It is compatible with various Android launchers, ensuring a seamless integration with different device setups. In addition to the icons, Vera Outline White Icon Pack may also offer complementary wallpapers to enhance the overall theme and provide users with a cohesive visual experience. Regular updates are often provided to add new icons and refine existing designs, keeping the collection fresh and relevant. Overall, Vera Outline White Icon Pack is an excellent choice for users looking to achieve a sleek and elegant look for their Android devices while enhancing usability and personalization.